Welcome back to our home theater showcase. Today we are conducting an intensive technical analysis of what is arguably the most extreme, uncompromising plug-and-play home cinema ecosystem ever brought to the consumer market. The Nakamichi Dragon 11.4.6 channel surround sound system represents the absolute pinnacle of reference-grade audio engineering. It is helpful to clarify right away that while marketing teams call this an AVR-grade soundbar, labeling this thing a simple soundbar is a total understatement. This system ships in 6 separate boxes, tipping the scales with 4 massive 12-inch subwoofers and a main unit that stretches 58 inches wide. Nakamichi has engineered this monster with true flagship AV receiver processing depth, high-fidelity air-motion transformer tweeters, and 6 discrete height channels to deliver an astonishing 5,500 watts of continuous cinema-grade authority. The physical scale of the front soundstage dictates its acoustic performance. The main 58-inch chassis is constructed entirely to move massive amounts of air, creating a wall of sound that perfectly anchors high-octane movie soundtracks. For pristine high-frequency articulation, the system throws out standard dome tweeters in favor of premium, studio-grade air-motion transformer, or AMT drivers. These pleated ribbon tweeters accelerate air multidirectionally, preserving razor-sharp vocal clarity and localized transient sound effects even when the system is pushed to its maximum sound pressure limits. The low-frequency infrastructure of this quad subwoofer setup is completely unmatched. The system deploys 4 12-inch aerospace-grade aluminum subwoofers coupled with carbon passive radiators. Reaching all the way down to an infrasonic 19 Hz, these active subwoofers literally load the room with chest-thumping energy, eliminating localized bass nulls and nullifying structural room boom. This seismic low end sets up a pristine canvas for the specialized OmniMotion surround speakers. These rear enclosures feature a bipolar speaker design that projects audio tracks simultaneously from the sides and above, while an integrated perfect height mechanism allows you to manually or electronically angle the overhead drivers to lock the Dolby Atmos and DTS X Pro ceiling reflections directly into your exact seating sweet spot. On the processing side, the Dragon operates with the raw crunching power of a multi-thousand-dollar home theater receiver. The ProCinema processing engine decodes uncompressed object-based audio tracks natively over an HDMI eARC pipeline. The rear input panel hosts 3 dedicated HDMI 2.1 ports that support uncompromised 4K 120Hz and 8K video pass-through alongside Dolby Vision and HDR10+ compatibility.